Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the hoodoracle, aka Karmic's Worst Nightmare, aka the Rembrandt of Karmic Readers, aka Diamonds in the Rough. Alright, for the DMs, whether you're a DM male or a DM female, okay? There is a service I'm making right now that is completely tailored to your situation. Now, if you're looking to get rid of karmic once and for all, but you're bound and you don't know what the fuck to do, whether it's magic or a legal matter, okay, I can tap into what this bitch is doing, okay, what her next move is going to be, okay, what she's trying to do, and I will tell you how to navigate this shit so that you can be clear of this bitch once and for all. Okay? And this is a glory hallelujah for all of the DFs that have been waiting so patiently for you to be rid of this bitch. Okay? Do not think that you have no support. You have support from your DF, and you have support from me. You have support from all of the DF collective. Okay? We're all part of the same collective here. Okay? We're here to support each other. All right? So, that being said, keeping into consideration that the price point doesn't need to be at a certain point because your finances may be a little strangled right now. In some cases, that karmic may be going after your finances, trying to strangle them. So I had to keep that price point in mind when I make the final price point as to how much this is going to cost. Okay. It's not going to be expensive at all. I'm keeping you guys in mind here, okay? But yeah, I wanted to let you guys know that this is going to be a service just for the DMs that are stuck in a karmic situation that don't know how to get out, okay? I'll give you the little playbook as to how to navigate this shit to get you out of that situation for good. Now, I'm expecting a huge amount of thumbs downs from some karmic hoe bags that are really upset at this message. Too fucking bad, bitches. Too fucking bad. Okay? It's time to release the leech off his back. Okay? It's time to release the barnacle off his butt. Okay? Boom. All right, guys. So you know how the fuck I am. I don't shy away from controversial shit. Okay? And this is another way that I try to help y'all. Okay? I've been helping my Divine Feminine Sisters from the beginning of this channel, okay? It's time to help the fellas, okay? Okay. All right, guys, so that's all I wanted to say. Look out for it on my website, Black Hat Tarot for you, number 4, letter U, .wixsite.com/thehoodoracle, okay? So look out for it there and, book it, and we will come to a consensus as to what to do, what's the next mode of actions to do, okay? You have your rights, okay? Spiritual, legal, and otherwise, DMs. You are not alone. You have more power than you think, okay? This is to embolden you and to empower you as well, okay? We're already there, us DFs. It's time for y'all to meet us, okay? And we realize you're dealing with a toxic fucking bitch, so it's time to remove that toxic bitch out of your life for good. All right? Love y'all. And I will talk to you soon. Please like, share, and subscribe. And DMs, you're watching. As soon as the service becomes available, let me know your interest in it by saying, I'm in. Or just type in I'm in the comments, and I'll know that you're ready for this type of service, okay? All right. Love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.